The sleek 2024 Toyota Tacoma drives through rugged terrain, showcasing its bold design and capability. Meet the 2024 Toyota Tacoma, a powerhouse redefined with the JRi 1.75 to 3-inch leveling kit from Freedom Off-Road. This leveling kit brings advanced suspension technology to your Tacoma, offering a height adjustment range of 1.75 to 3 inches for optimized ground clearance and a more aggressive stance. With the JRi Leveling Kit, you'll enjoy enhanced off-road performance, better weight distribution, and improved handling, whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the highway. Freedom Off-Road's design ensures easy installation while maintaining the reliability and durability you expect from your Tacoma. Turn heads on the trail with a bold new look and capability upgrade, all thanks to the JRi Leveling Kit. Ready to level up your Tacoma? Visit 4x4trailrunners.com for more details on the JRi 1.75 to 3-inch leveling kit and other top-tier upgrades for your 2024 Toyota Tacoma.